Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A51, and today I will show you how to record your screen on this phone. So to get started, simply pull down your notification panel, find the toggle, which for me is right here in the corner, and once you find it, you can either hold it, this will take you to the settings, or you can tap on it to immediately start recording. Now by holding it, you'll have access to a couple of settings like the video quality, sound, which here we have media and mic, which is a really nice addition, media, sound, or no sound. So choose whichever one you want. I do recommend using headphones if you want to go with the last option, media, sound, and microphone, because if you plan to record it this way, whatever the sound the phone makes will be recorded, and then the microphone will pick up that sound once again and record it twice, creating an echo effect, which won't be the best. So anyway, once you choose that, you can also select a couple toggles right here, and from there I'm just going to leave it and now go back to the toggle to immediately start recording. Now before I do need to grant access to storage and things like that. This is a one-time thing only, so there we go. It brings up the option of what sound you want to record. Gives you a countdown of 3 seconds, at which point it will start recording. There we go. Now you do have a couple options right here, so you can, for instance, start drawing on the screen if you want to. You have also pause option and simply stop option. And whatever you will open right now will be recorded by the device with a little bit of a difference when it comes down to streaming applications. Now things like Netflix will not allow you to record them, so the app itself cannot force the phone to stop recording, but basically what will happen if you try to record it is you'll get sound, because there is no way for them to actually block the sound that is coming off of the phone, which kind of a downside of the echo effect, but I guess upside. But when it comes down to video, all you will get is a black screen. So just keep that in mind. Now anyway, going back to the recording that we have just captured, it can be found in our gallery application. You can see it right here under today, and also if you go into albums, it will create an album called Screen Recordings, where you will find that recording. So there we go, that's the recording. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.